Okay, so today we're making a video, and I just got a brand new dog. Okay, if you haven't seen my old dog, just right there. Just right there. It's my old dog. Never went in a video though. Wish I could put in a video. But that's my new dog. Hey, Zoe. Zoe, could I pet you?
Zoe.
You're so cute. Yeah. Hey, Zoe. Hey, Ava. Zoe and Ava. Zoe.
I'm trapped. I'm trapped forever.
Diego, you're old. You're 50. You're 59, Diego. You're old. Look at you, you're 23. You're 23 years old and you're a puppy. Oh, that was a cute part. Okay, run with her. Okay, I'm having, oh, that's because brother spilled Diego's food. Why does she like your hair so much?
Because she loves to.
And then she ate Diego's food. Come on, Zoe. She doesn't want to run with you. She's smelling somewhere to go to the bathroom. You're so cute, Zoe. Cannot zoom in and out in this mode. Okay. Oh, now she wants to run with you. Go. Zoe. Go chase her. Zoe, go run with her. Okay. Go.
Candle cases so she can go. Okay? What's this? Zoe? What's this Ava?
Oh, come on. Why are you eating Diego's food for? You're a puppy. You should eat puppy food. Smart puppy food. You're smart. You're a Queensland healer. Don't do that, honey. Don't throw food in her face. Yeah. Okay, so that was it. And if you want to see more with my two dogs, then please leave a like or get it to 13 views for daily Minecraft or my farm world that I live in. Just live in a good villager house. Have a lot of stuff in it. Yeah. So in my next video, I'm gonna show you how to go from noob to pro to god. So I'm gonna be making that video tomorrow, and